Oh, no, no, no. Fuck you.
Hey everyone, it is I. The roads here suck. Who the hell you think you is? But anyways, oil change time, 195,000 miles. Well, 195,752. Ran a little bit late with that again, but whatever. I'll try to be quick-ish with this, since you guys seen this 1.5 million times. So what I'll be doing is I'll be changing the oil, and I'll also be greasing up all the little jointy suspension bits, since I've got a new grease gun. So, let's get to work. Alright, so that would be it. I apologize for the brevity of this video and for not saying much, but you know, that's all I really needed to do right now is just change the oil and mess around with the lubricating of the joints, I guess. I got a new grease gun, and that one works really well, except in the beginning, about the third joint in, I guess, it began getting all weird, so I took it apart, and it turns out that at the factory, they assembled it wrong. I just had to turn something the other way around, and then suddenly it started working beautifully again. So that was that. I got the joints all greased up. I got the oil changed in the car. That's gonna be all for this video. I do apologize. I know you guys love to see more stuff, I guess, but very usual, very routine oil change now. I use the STP extended life oil filter and Castrol Edge 10W30 full synthetic. So 10W30 this time. I switched back from 5W30 because 5W30 was for the winter months. Now I'm back on 10W30. What else can I think of saying? That'll be all for now because the next thing will be at 200,000 miles. So that would be, I feel like it should be something of a more exciting video. So I'll leave this off for now like this, and then at 200,000 miles I'll see you guys again. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you still enjoyed this video, and take care.